iVoomi is back with the new smartphone with a notch at the top, and that too at a budget price range. The iVoomi Z1 is an entry-level device with a notched 19:9 aspect ratio display and a fingerprint sensor at the back. The device looks very similar to the Enelo one, which was launched a few weeks ago by Enelo, which is a sub-brand of iVoomi. Here we got the retail unit of the iVoomi Z1 smartphone, which has a notched display at the front and a 13 megapixel rear camera with the fingerprint sensor below it. Now let's quickly unbox the device and let's see what all it has to offer. First thing inside the box is the iVoomi Z1 smartphone itself in classic black color variant. The smartphone has a matte black back and feels good to hold. The smartphone feels light, and that's because there's no battery inside the device as of now. Next we have a 2800 mAh of removable battery which powers the iVoomi Z1 smartphone. And now let's quickly put the battery inside the smartphone. The back of the iVoomi Z1 can be removed to put in the battery, and also the smartphone has a support for dual 4G VoLTE SIM card slots at the back and a micro SD card slot as well. Next we have a transparent screen guard which is included inside the box, a micro USB cable to charge the device, as well as a wall adapter which is rated at 5 volts and 2 amperes. That's all inside the box. Talking about the specifications of the device, the iVoomi Z1 features a 5.67-inch HD Plus display that has an aspect ratio of 19:9 and has a resolution of 1498 x 720 pixels and a 293 pixels per inch density. The iVoomi Z1 is powered by a MTK6739W 1.3 GHz quad-core processor and is backed by a 2800 mAh of removable battery. The smartphone is backed by 2 GB of RAM and 16 GB of internal storage, which can be further expanded up to 120 GB via micro SD card slot. The iVoomi Z1 runs on company's own custom skin, which is known as SmartMe OS 3.0 and is based on Android 8.1 Oreo. The software on this device includes some smart features which are called as Intelligent Assistant, which allows some smart accessibility features. Also, the software allows you to turn off and lock your device by just simply turning it over a solid surface, which will turn the display off and lock the device immediately. The cameras on the smartphone include a 13 megapixel rear camera with a 5p lens and an IMX135 sensor. The camera app offers features such as AI camera, beauty mode, face cute mode and a bokeh mode as well. And we have tested out the device, and here are some of the camera samples that we've took through the lens of iVoomi Z1. On the front of the phone there's a 5 megapixel camera with a 1.12 micron pixel size and a 4p lens. The device features a fingerprint sensor at the back, and the device can also be unlocked using the face unlock feature as well. The iVoomi Z1 is a budget offering from iVoomi, which is a decent device with a notch at the top, but the notch is extremely wide and it cannot be disabled. We ran a few benchmark tests on the device, and here are the results of AnTuTu and Geekbench. The performance of this device is decent, and the camera on the back of the device is just average. The performance could be a little better if a more powerful processor was used, but that's not the focus of this device, and it's not meant for gamers. And for daily routine apps it works really well, and considering the price of the device, it is a good buy at this price. The iVoomi Z1 comes in classic black color variant and is priced at 6,999 Indian rupees and will be available from Flipkart starting today. What do you guys think about the iVoomi Z1 smartphone? Would you choose this device? Use the comment section below and do let us know. And like the video if you like it, and please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Thank you for watching, and this was Akhil from Installer Not, and stay tuned for more such videos.